Hey everybody, Chris here. So Dogecoin starting to surge forward along with a number of alts. We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we were live Wednesday afternoon. We were looking particularly at Dogecoin price points and specifically what price point Dogecoin needs to trade above and end a daily candle on in order to confirm this mini breakout, which could be the beginning of a much larger breakout, new bull run coming. So let's get into it. Let me show you the charts on the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we start here looking at the Dogecoin chart, trading just over 11.5 cents right now, which is this orange line here. This is on a 15-minute chart, so it's kind of zoomed in, but this is where we need to see Dogecoin trading. And in order to end a daily candle above 11.5 cents. And why is that? Well, we zoom out and we take a look on a bigger scale, and we're like, this was the last high that Doge had back on August 23rd, 11.5 cents. And that was part of this downward trend where we were experiencing lower highs each and every month, starting back in March and then hitting in April, May, June, July, and August. We had lower highs. In order to break out of that, which we are in the process of doing for Dogecoin, we need to get a new daily candle close above 11.5 cents. So that's what we're looking at right now. This chart looks very good. It's very bullish, well above my September price prediction, which is okay with me. I mean, let's go, Doge. Let's go. Let's get this move going on this 4-hour chart. This is looking very good. And then again, SHIB we'll take a look at as well. Look at the SHIB chart. Even more bullish on SHIB right now as it's beginning this surge up as well. Overall on crypto bubbles, Bitcoin is up about 1.2%, just a small little bubble. But here's Doge up 6% and SHIB up almost 12%, as well as others that are moving up like Pepe 6.5, WIF 6.8. And we see this continuing of other good alts like Injective moving up over 5% as well. So again, on Friday at 4 o'clock p.m., maybe 4:30, might be starting a little bit later on Friday, we will be looking at whether this surge continues, about the breakout going up. But that's going to be the live stream, next live stream that I'm going to have. We're going to be looking at this price performance and into the weekend, how we think that crypto is going to be trading, as well as some AMA as well. And those are always fun. So what's going on? So here's Kevin. Breakout is beginning. We still have major areas we need to break through. So let's stay measured. 14.34 cents will be a major milestone. But before we get there, we need to confirm, again, this 11.5 cents. So we need a daily close above 11.5. And then he's targeting, up here again, this next line will be above 14. But we need to clear the first line first, 11.5, and confirm that before getting to the next level. That's what I see. Again, what's going on? Well, CEO says Dogecoin whales have scooped up over 1.4 billion Doge in the last 48 hours. So the whales are buying. The whales are continuing to accumulate because they see what Doge is doing and the potential that Doge has going forward. So we have whale activity. Ali has pointed this out on this chart here, where we've got big whale buying, which is moving the price upward. So this is huge going forward. What is this surge? Dogecoin could surge by another 30% if its price holds this level. And Ali saying surging past 11.1 cent resistance, where 62,000 addresses hold over 36 billion Doge. If Doge holds this level, it could confirm a bullish breakout. with no major supply walls in sight, the path to 15 cents looks clear. So that could be that, another 30% surge from current price levels up to 15 cents. So we go back and we say, okay, Doge, let's do this. Let's confirm 11.5 cents. Make sure we confirm breakout above that level. Retest maybe as support 11.5 and move forward. That would be great. And then let's look at this 14.34 level, which would be the next level after 11.5, and then get up to 15 cents. So that's a 30% rise. And that, again, this is short term now. This is short term move up, which could still take, a week or more to do. Again, we'll be exploring that on Friday's live stream in more detail. But again, this is just the start. This is just the start that we see for this, what I'm calling a mini breakout, to be expanded on and much larger through October, November, December. But here we are again on alts. This is total market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH. And we see this is the alt breakout. Essentially, this is the alt breakout. Outside of Bitcoin and ETH, what's happening? We do see this the altcoins breaking out here. And so where's Doge going to go? So we have these levels, right? Master Kenobi's pointed them out. 11.5, 14.2. Ali and I have 14.3, 17.5, 20.5. And then if we get up above 23, then it's price discovery for this cycle. And we'll start looking back into 2021 at what those next levels are. So these are the levels that we will be looking at on Friday as we look at the bigger targets for Doge. SHIB as well. SHIB chart is looking great, as we just saw. And then as SHIB is moving forward, we'll be looking back again to July, where SHIB busted up to 0.0002. And then we'll be looking to sort of retest there before SHIB begins to move forward too. So we've got big price movements. We saw last week we had SUI and SEI and a number of others moving up. Now we've got Injective starting to move up. We've got SHIB and, of course, Doge. So with Doge, we're going to zoom back and we're going to look 4 years ago what happened after the Bitcoin halving. We had about 56 days here. And according to Kenobi, we had about 56 days where we experienced these lows before breakout. And here we are, 56 days, we've had these lows, and we're starting to see that breakout now. This is actually looking at Doge versus Bitcoin. This is the Doge BTC trading pair. Because Doge is starting to outperform Bitcoin, again, as I predicted. So in the last cycle, Doge BTC went through approximately 56 days of stagnation and before it exploded. From there, it increased 84 times in relation to Bitcoin. So this was an 84x Doge versus BTC. Anyone who invested 1 Bitcoin in Doge at the bottom of the cycle would have ended up with 84 Bitcoin at the peak. Pretty interesting, right? Again, that's just Doge BTC trading pair. Now we're once again in a period of stagnation, which has lasted for 56 days. Similarly positioned in relation to the Bitcoin halving, what do you think will happen this time? Do you take a Bitcoin and then buy that many Doge, right? That many Doge worth in Bitcoin as the Doge BTC trading pair turns around? How much Bitcoin might you have at the top of this cycle? Interesting to look at. We will continue to not only look at the price of Dogecoin itself, but we'll also be looking at the Doge BTC trading pair, because as we looked at on the live stream both Monday and Wednesday, this is starting to turn around. Doge is outperforming Bitcoin and could actually make a huge move against Bitcoin in this cycle. This is what we are looking for. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this surge in the price of Doge and alts and how this is building, forward for a big price breakout. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.